Lemon garlic pasta sounds simple, but getting it right makes all the difference. In just 15 minutes, I'll show you how to make it rich, flavorful, and perfectly balanced every time. And this is just day 2. I'm making 7 pasta recipes in 7 days, from creamy, spicy to Middle Eastern. If you missed yesterday's recipe, be sure to check it out in the playlist. But first, this is lemon garlic pasta. All you need is spaghetti pasta, garlic, butter, lemon juice, and lemon zest, parsley, and Parmesan cheese. That is it. In a pot, add in the water with a good amount of salt. It will just give a better taste for the pasta itself. Once it boils, add in the pasta and let it cook 1 minute less than the package instruction. While that cooks in a pan, add in 1 tablespoon olive oil, 25 grams, butter along with 4 thinly sliced garlic cloves over medium heat. And that is the first mistake people make. If you're afraid you might risk burning the butter, adding in some olive oil or any kind of oil prevents that from happening. Now add in the juice of 1 lemon along with the lemon zest. Stir those together so that the lemony flavor and the garlic, the butter all come together. Second mistake to watch for is not moving your garlic. If you leave your garlic, it might burn, so just keep stirring for a minute or 2 to prevent that from happening. Now add in the pasta and do not drain it. We actually do want some of that pasta water. This will thicken up the sauce beautifully and make it creamy. To that, I will add half a cup of finely chopped parsley. Stir those together carefully so you do not break the pasta. Now I will pour in some of the pasta water, not too much, just about 1/4 cup, just to loosen it up a little bit, and stir those together for another minute or 2. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, don't forget to give this video a like. And honestly, that is it. A few simple ingredients, a delicious tangy garlicky pasta that is perfect for a quick lunch or dinner, especially in the summer. Finish it with fresh parsley on top and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. And look how good this looks. This was day 2 of 7. Come back tomorrow for day 3. It is quick, it is simple, and it might just be your new favorite all summer long. Thank you for watching Meals by Mary, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.